it's Sadie, and today I'm going to be doing my top 10 pet peeves and annoying sounds. So I'm posting this on a Friday or around a Friday, so that means I'm going back to my home. Oh, it's getting cold. Yeah. So going back to my normal schedule means I'm posting videos every Friday, and I'm really excited to go back to my normal schedule because that means I'm back on track with my YouTube channel. Yeah. Anyway, so let's just get started. So my number one pet peeve is when people sit there and they smack while they're eating. Like, okay, seriously, close your mouth when you're eating. It's the grossest sound and it annoys the crap. And then my next one is a sound. So this number two, when people scratch on chalkboards, fringe inside. I'm just gonna chill singing that. I hate that sound. Like, you don't understand how much I hate that sound. Number three is when people chew loudly and like you can hear their spit in their mouth while they're chewing. So this all started because one time I was at my friend's house and then my other friend was eating pizza and then I heard her start chewing and then I could hear, okay, this is really gross, but I could hear like her spit and everything, and but so disgusting. But that grosses me out so much and it bothers me. So yep. Okay, so my number four is when people pick up their book bags, and I have an LLB book bag and the straps is textured weirdly, and when you scratch that it makes me shiver and gives me chills, and I absolutely hate it. I hate that sound so much. It just bothers the heck out of me, and whenever I hear that sound I like shiver, and everyone stares at me and they're like, what the heck are you shivering about? And I'm like, that sound. They're like, what sound? And I'm like, that sound of the book bag. And I don't think it bothers very much people, but it bothers the heck out of me. So, you know, what the heck? Anyway, so number five is when I'm trying to walk and my cat walks in front of me. She starts just walking in front of me, and I can't walk with my cat walking in front of me because she's way too slow. And I'm sitting there walking behind her and she just crisscrosses that. I don't know which way she's going, and I usually end up stepping on her and I feel so bad after. But actually it's her fault. So what do you think about it? My cat's fault. What about her if she gets stepped on because she's the one who got in my way? Yep. That. So number 6, you don't know. Anyway, so my number 6 is when people start talking over me while I'm trying to tell them like something, and they just start talking over me like I'm not even there and I'm not even sorry. Like I'm talking and someone goes, so how's your day? And I'm like, hey, I'm talking here. Why don't you just shut up? Number 7. I'm waking up to action dust. It's when this also has to do with the talking thing. When I'm like talking, telling them like a story or something, and they just turn away and start talking to someone, like, hey, so how was your day? Oh, it was good. Really, I did that. Oh, hey, Jim Bob, let's go hang out. No, don't go hang out with Jim Bob. I'm telling you a story. You don't go hang out with Jim Bob. Listen to me when I'm talking. Yeah, that's right. Because Jim Bob is not important until I'm done with my story. That's like after I'm done with my story, you're like, hey, I gotta go talk to Jim Bob real quick. Or like, it's fine if you go, so yeah, and then they go, okay, wait 1 second, I'm sorry, I just have to pause Jim Bob for a second. Hey, Jim Bob, wait right here, I'll be over there in a second. Okay, keep on going. Like, that's fine. Jim Bob can stand over there and wait, or you can even come listen to my story. You do not go talk to Jim Bob while I'm talking to you. Jim Bob is not important. He is not relevant to our conversation. So don't just go talking to Jim Bob. Okay, and another thing, softness to the talking thing, but when I'm sitting, like, almost right next to you and you talk about me, you have this word that bother the heck out of me. Like, I am sitting down with you and you talk about me? No. So, number 8 is when people talk about me when I'm very close to them. Like I said earlier, today at school, someone was just talking about me, and I'm sitting 3 people down from them, and I'm like, dude, chill, I am right here. Don't talk about me. And then, of course, my friend, like, she came up to me after that and told me what they were saying, and I knew, and then I was really mad. But anyway, number 9. Oh, 9. Okay, so this is a sound, and when people get their nose stuck up, all you hear is it happens to me a lot when I'm taking a test. I'm like, dude, chill. I mean, I know I do it, but I try to stop, and it's just that sound just drives me insane. I don't want to hear your snot go up your nostrils. Like, who wants to hear someone's snot go up the nostrils? I know I don't. Not this one right here. Okay, and number 10. I know. Number 10, the big 1-0. That's probably Swift. The big 1-0. There we go. So So when people, number 10 is when people sit there and chew their gum and they chew it really loudly and like smack you like. You can control the way your gum is chewed. You don't have to sit there and chew your gum like. Like this girl behind me, she sits behind me in English and she sits there and all I can hear is her gum being spitted up and chewed and I'm like, dude. Please learn how to chew gum, please. I am begging you, and I hope you learn how to chew gum. Okay, so now I remembered number 10. That's all for this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and like, subscribe, favorite, share, and you can also comment any video ideas down below in the down bar. Just whenever you get a chance, just do that. Because I love to hear you guys doing these video ideas. I especially like challenges. So yeah, that's it. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah!